Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a list in Brevo. So all you have to do is head over to Brevo and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Contacts, then click on Lists. And from here, you can easily have an access to the Create a List button. Just click on it and you can start by entering a name for your list. We can name it sample list and also enter or select a folder where you want to create this list. Say, for example, we're going to add this on your first folder. Then just proceed by clicking on create list. So our sample list has now been created. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!